I'm gonna be really straight into the point in this video. I was gonna do what I eat in a week, then I was like maybe what I eat in a day, but I went ahead and I ordered a box from HelloFresh and I tried one of the recipes and it was actually so fucking good. So I'm gonna show you guys the recipe for, I think it's called Sicilian panini. It was a Sicilian panini pasta that I made, but it's gonna be a really chill, really relaxing cooking video. So I'm just gonna put on like some music. I'm gonna run through me cooking the whole dish and that's it. No voiceover, no talking, no nothing. Okay, so I just had to come back to tell you guys, that food was so fucking good. Like, okay, the portions weren't as big as I would have liked them, but they were good. It was so good. I recommend HelloFresh. That was my first time ever using them. The portions were not huge. We did do a 2-person portion and it was enough to get full, but don't expect any leftovers is what I'll say. Like, even if you don't eat a lot, you still will not have leftovers. Other than that, it was really, really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this really peaceful cooking video. If you like these, let me know. I can do more because I'm going to do more food subscriptions. So have a wonderful, amazing day such as yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.